Welcome back to the Oxbow. Now I got a confession. Today I'm a little under the weather. I had something for lunch that's disagreeing with me big time. But also today, the reason we returned to the Oxbow, oh my gosh, I should do this clip over. Guys, let me get down there a little bit further. Then maybe I learn to talk and do this video justice. Alright, the last time we was down here at the Oxbow, there was a dog off his leash and I didn't know if my dog and that dog would fight. I wanted to go up a little further on the walk and we wasn't able to do so. Today I'm with my wife, which is usually compass when we're on trails, but the Oxbow is not really a trail. It is a dirt road that goes zigzags in and out of the wetlands. That's what the Oxbow is. This used to be called the Bottoms years ago. But we come back today, and my son Justin's with us because he's on vacation from work. So he wants to go down the road we just went down last time we was here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go on down there so he can get a good look, and then we're going to walk up that way as far as I can. Remember, I don't know how long this video is going to be today because I ate lunch and it's disagreeing with my stomach. My lunch has something to do with sausage, and guys, I don't have a gallbladder. I don't know if that's it or not, but every time I eat sausage, it gives me an upset stomach. All right. Oh, here he comes back. He's running. He's such a city boy. Nothing wrong with city boys, okay? I'm just picking on my son. All right, guys, we're going to go up this way, maybe get some beauty, and just have fun with it. We're going to try and make something out today. Yeah, I shouldn't have ate some sausage earlier. It gave me an upset stomach. I do feel a little bit better. That wind has a horrible bite to it. The wind is gusting up to 22 miles an hour, but it's bringing that wind chill down to, I say about 18 degrees. So we're going to head back towards the car. We want to go further, but that's going to have to wait till another day. And boy, I tell you, what we're walking in is some nasty stuff. Let me show you. Nasty. I might put a little music to that. I don't know if I will or not. Did I? I don't know if I did. But yeah. We want to go further down, but with the cold, my belly's still icky, so it's going to be a half adventure today. But here at the Oxbow, I want to come back here. I want to walk it further, but I want to see what it looked like in the middle of winter. And last time I was here, walking back this far, it was the middle of summer. And I have to say, it's still beautiful. It's still quite breathtaking. Look at that. Now, will I come back here and try fishing again? More than likely, I will. But I'm gonna tell you now that, you know what I was calling the lake? Remember the video I made? I can't get it out of my mind. That's actually not really a lake. That's more of a pond, I think. That's gonna be one of the first places I go back fishing to. That's right. That's gonna be probably as soon as March. Now I could go fishing now if I wanted to. The Ohio River's hitting. It doesn't matter what time of year it is, the Ohio River, you are catching them there. But do you want to stand out in the middle of the cold? I don't know. It does sound appealing to me. I had a comment this morning, and I really wish I could remember the guy's name. I'm sorry I don't remember his name, but he said to me, he's been watching my videos since 2017, and I kind of got him into doing the walking thing. Guys, that made my day. You know, I do YouTube for a lot of reasons. Mainly I do YouTube because it's like a video diary. I like to videotape my adventures. I like to videotape a lot of stuff. I also do it trying to get others to do the walking thing like I'm doing. And he says he got into it pretty much back in 2017 because of possibly me. It made me happy to hear that, folks. I'm telling you, it makes me happy to know my videos are helping others. Yeah, I don't have the words for that. So to the gentleman that sent me the message, if you will comment down there saying you're the one that did it, guys, congratulate him for the walking. Congratulate him for doing something that I'm hoping to change his life like it did mine. And all it is, one foot in front of the other, and do the walking thing like I do every morning, or go on these adventures. And it's cold. Oh my God, is it cold? We've got about a mile left to go till we get to the car. My belly's feeling a little bit better, so that's good news. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video here. We're gonna head back to the car, which ain't too far ahead. And we will try to get something tomorrow. Now tomorrow, I may do a hike I've done many times. I may do the observation deck, only because I want to show my son the observation deck. Out of all the hikes we've been on, he's the only one that's never been with us. Elizabeth's been with us. Damien's been with us on a few of them. He hasn't. And so, no matter how many times I go to the observation deck, there's always beauty. There's always something we didn't see last time. And with weather permitted, we're supposed to get snow, but with weather permitted, maybe we'll go a little further than we ever had before. Always want to do that. So guys, until next time, thanks for watching. And I'm gonna make another walking video. Not tomorrow. No, it might be later on next week or something, but I think I will. Until next time, guys, come on. Let's get out of here. Oh, hold on. Oh, my holding up this selfie stick. Oh man, it hurts the hand sometimes. Let's not share that. Well, Stormy, they're way ahead of us. Want to try to catch up to them? All right. They're looking back at me like, we're way back there. All right, guys, we'll catch you next time. Come on, let's get out of here. So beautiful.